How to install Python on Windows. Open your web browser, go to Python website, download the latest version of Python. The file is downloading. It's only 29 MB, so let's wait for the file to download. Click the file to begin the installation. First, select the Use Admin Privileges and add Python to path. Click Install now. Wait for installation to complete. Now the installation is completed. Now open your command prompt and type python dash dash version. It will show you the current version of the Python which is installed in your computer. Now let us run the first program. Go to start, type IDLE. Now let me run my first program. I will just print hello world using the print method and press enter. It will print. That means whatever you will add inside this will get printed.